Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something exciting for all you tech enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of true wireless freedom with a product that's been making waves, the Boat Airdopes 170 TWS Earbuds. Now, before we get into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all the latest tech reviews. Alright, let's get started. What sets the Boat Airdopes 170 apart? Well, it's packed with features that make it a must-have in the world of wireless audio. First up, the impressive 50 hours of playtime. Yes, you heard that right, 50 hours. Whether you're on a long flight or a road trip, these earbuds have got you covered. And when it comes to charging, the ASAP charge feature ensures you spend less time waiting and more time enjoying your music. Just a quick charge, and you're good to go. Now, let's talk about the soul of any audio device, the sound quality. The Boat Airdopes 170 boasts 13mm drivers that deliver a rich, immersive audio experience. Whether you're into bass-heavy beats or crystal-clear vocals, these earbuds deliver. And what's even better? The low-latency mode ensures that your audio and video sync up seamlessly, making these earbuds perfect for gaming or binge-watching your favorite shows. Beyond functionality, these earbuds are a fashion statement in themselves. The sleek classic black design not only looks good but also feels good. And with touch controls, you can manage your music, calls, and even activate your voice assistant with just a tap. The IPX4 rating ensures that your Airdopes 170 are sweat and water resistant, making them your ideal companion for workouts and outdoor activities. Now, let's talk about staying connected. With quad mics and ENX tech, your calls are crystal clear, whether you're in a busy cafe or walking down a bustling street. The Boat Airdopes 170 also features IWP, Insta-Wake and Pair, technology, ensuring a seamless and quick connection every time you open the case. So, there you have it, the Boat Airdopes 170 TWS Earbuds. A perfect blend of style, substance, and technology. If you're ready to elevate your audio experience, the link is in the description. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay tuned, stay tech savvy.